Chemical cleaning. Chemical cleaning is a process which primarily uses chemical solutions to remove foulings from inside plant and equipment. The circulation of chemical cleaning solutions without dismantling existing process equipment is known as SIP, cleaning in place. Acid, alkali and solvents are used as cleaning agents. Health and safety precautions, chemical cleaning. 1. Eye and skin contact with chemicals should be avoided as bums or serious skin disorders can result. The breathing of fumes caused by the reaction of the chemicals with the metals being cleaned should also be minimized. Chemical cleaning agents shall only be used when their application, performance and health implications are fully understood and the manufacturer's recommendations are complied with. Material safety data sheets, MSDS, shall be available and referred. 2. Suitable protective clothing, gloves, apron or sometimes overall suits, face shield and goggles must be worn by the operator whilst carrying out chemical cleaning operations. 3. Chemicals shall only be carried using suitable closed containers. 4. When acid cleaning in enclosed vessels, special precautions need to be taken due to the formation of inflammable hydrogen gas or toxic fumes resulting from contact of some acids with the metal surfaces. 5. Acids shall always be slowly added to water when preparing aqueous solutions. Never use the reverse sequence. 6. Acids and alkalis must never be disposed off directly into the drainage system. For further advice on environmental considerations and disposal methods, please contact KNPC Environment Division. 7. Vapors from some solvents are a powerful anaesthetic. Inhaled in small quantities it will cause drowsiness. In large quantities the vapor can cause unconsciousness and fatality. Emission to the atmosphere has to be considered and kept to a minimum level. 8. Care must be taken that adequate ventilation is provided in areas utilized for solvent cleaning to prevent people breathing excessive amounts of solvent vapor or the products of decomposition. 9. In solvent cleaning operations outdoors, it may be possible to locate the working area to keep people upwind of solvent handling. 10. Receptacles for the solvent shall not be left in working areas without lids or caps fitted, and shall be suitably labeled. 11. To avoid exposure above permitted levels, solvents shall not be removed from components by blowing dry in confined spaces. 12. Most solvent vapors are capable of creating an explosive mixture at certain concentrations with air or oxygen. 13. Smoking and the performance of any operations involving the use of flame, arcing or other source of heat higher than 200 degrees Celsius shall be prohibited on premises where vapors of halogenated solvents are present. Exposure of the solvent to daylight over a prolonged period may also cause decomposition of the material. 14. Do not heat solvents above the allowable temperature. This temperature shall be checked with the solvent supplier or with other relevant information like the material safety data sheets. 15. Do not use chlorinated solvents for cleaning closed tanks or other elements where it is not possible to ensure total removal of the solvent. 16. Enclosed systems shall always be equipped with pressure relief devices and a pressure gauge. Heating of solvents shall always be by indirect methods.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.